Hey guys, Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash, Salisbury, Maryland. So today we're doing one of my what I've dubbed random acts of cleaning kindness. So we go around town, we find dirty neighborhood signs, playgrounds, business signs. We roll up with our truck loaded with water and chems and everything. We got our blue line, we've gone ahead and soaped everything. But I want to give you guys a couple little tips when you decide to do this. It's amazing outreach, but you also want to make sure that you're covering yourself on some of the stuff. Right here, this is completely broken. You get your before and after pictures both for the marketing, but also just in case somebody were to ever say, have an issue with it or whatever. Document the condition of the sign. This side's okay. The paint's really not peeling much. It looks good over here. Look at how bad and dirty all of that is. It's filthy. Okay, so we already know that like the yellow on that paint has been gone, and it's been gone for a while. I'll show you the other side of it though. This is the real reason why you also, or one of the other reasons why you get these pictures, is when you look at this horse, you can see it's white underneath, but all the paint that was on top of it, look at it all. It's all coming off. When we clean this, more of that is going to come off. It's going to be okay though. And sorry, I'm getting blurry here. Make sure you can see that. Whatever, you can't zoom in. But the lower portion of the sign's in pretty decent shape, but that top part looks horrible. So that's where we've taken this before and after pictures. We've got videos. This is something too where, hey, I know it's not going to look perfect when it's finished. It is going to look a whole heck of a lot better. And then if they want to, they can get it painted pretty quickly. All they got to do is get somebody with some white paint out here, get a little bit of yellow on the Saddlebrook part, and it'll look fantastic. And they got to trim a little bit of these bushes, but hey, everybody also always asks whether or not we get permission to do this. No, we just show up, clean it, and hopefully we know somebody in the development. This one we've got a couple people, and I'm pretty sure I actually know the HOA president, or somebody who I definitely know is on the HOA. And we'll share these pictures to them so they can then give us credit in these groups. Hopefully we can get into the HOA group and have a way to know when they're looking for somebody, we can tag ourselves, say, hey, yeah, we'd love to do work. We do a lot of work for people on the street. This development has maybe 60 houses in it. It's not a huge development, but it's one that I noticed the sign's dirty, and I'm going to clean it today. Have a great day.